This is a 15 puzzle. This is a 15 puzzle. And even this, wow, a 15 puzzle. Today you will see the 15 puzzles from the first to the maximum difficulty level. We'll try to solve them, and let's start with the easiest. This is not even 15, but what? 1, 2, 3 puzzle? Our task is to put these numbers in order from 1 to 3 in this particular case. Let's shuffle it. In principle, there are a few options how we can shuffle it, but let's try to solve it. 3, 2, 1, go. Supposedly it should be easy. Oh, that's it. The easiest of today's puzzles is solved. Look, I thought it would be much easier. But the interesting thing will start when we increase the difficulty level. This is a classic 15 puzzle, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 puzzle. I think that will be enough. This time I want to use a stopwatch to figure out how fast I can solve the next difficulty level. 3, 2, 1, start. We start with 1, then put 2. We need to put a 3 here, but as you can see, we can't do it. We need to change something. We need to move the 2, which is already in place, so I propose to do the following. We put 2 in place of 3, put 3 here, and put 2 numbers at the same time. Next 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 and 7 are already in the place. We need only to swap this. Stop. 32 seconds. It's pretty fast. And now let's move on to standard 15, because there are 15 details here. They say that in order for the puzzle to become more complex, it is necessary to put number 1 as far as we can from its position. Let's put the last digit at the beginning to complicate the situation even more. Whoa, guys, look, there are magnets here, and the number can magnetize to its next position. Whoa, it's speed 15 puzzle. Let's see if I can solve this level of difficulty faster. 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, stop! 19 seconds! It was sub 20! Wow! I'm glad that I have experience in puzzles, so subscribe to the channel if you like the content. But this is just the beginning. The next level is 5 by 5. Whew, the next challenge for me. Let's try to solve it with a timer too. Start. 3, 2, 1. Stop. Whoa! Not bad, 48 seconds. And that's not all. I have even bigger. 15, 6 by 6. What? Wow, this is already a monster. Three, 2, 1, start. How do I swap this? Wait, like this? Okay, stop. God, it was really hard. I tried to do as quickly as possible. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. But we're moving on to the most difficult 15 puzzle in this category. Wow, 7 by 7. This monster has 49 parts. Whew, it was very difficult even to shuffle it. 3 minutes only for shuffling. 3, 2, 1. One. Where's the 2? 3 is near, I have to control it. 4 is not so far. 5 and 6. These 2 should be here. About half have already been solved, and the more numbers I solve, the easier it is to look for the necessary details, because there are simply fewer of them. Whoa, one row! And the most difficult thing remains, the last two rows. "41, 42, ouch. The last one, 42, stop. Whew, let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 14. Wow, it drained me. But this is just the beginning. I'm curious, what do you think about this monster? 15 puzzle that doesn't even look like 15, because here are not square details, but triangular. And instead of one free field, we have two of them. And it is very difficult here not only to follow each number, but also to move them correctly. Well, that will be interesting. Start. Number 1 is here, it should be on top. Oh, we can move several pieces at once. So, okay, 1, even 2 stood on its place. 5, 4, 3. Oh, it's difficult. Then 6 must be put here. 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 must be one after another. Oh, it's hard, yeah. Next, 13, 14, 15. I'm already close to the solution, but still not used to the mechanics of this puzzle. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Why there is 22? How should I do it? 15, 16, 19. Wow. Like this, 21, 22, yes! Whew! It was a little faster, but very difficult. And now we move on to the next part, because these 15 puzzles are not two-dimensional, they are in 3D. Here we go. Here we move details in space. Instead of numbers here, we have colors, and for each color there is a hole. And it's called the 15 puzzle, because we can replace one part with another by moving these balls inside the white ball, and they change places. And we have 3 levels of complexity. Simple, where there are only 8 balls. Complex, where we have 11 balls. And super complex, where there are 20 balls. And I suggest starting with the smallest. Whoa, okay, let's assume that we have scrambled it. Look, none of the balls is in their cell. Let's try to solve this puzzle. Calm down, stand still. Start. Let's start with the fact that we need to understand where we have white. You see, white, it should be empty, so we need to start with the farthest cell from it. Here we have a green color, and here it is. I need to put this ball here. Just move everything one by one. Then move this, and the last orange. Stop! Folks, I accidentally managed to solve the last stage. And look, we have all 8 balls in their place. How much more difficult or easier it will be to solve the next level of our 3D 15 puzzle. Oh, I think that's enough. The only one that stands in its place is yellow. I think we will leave it like this, no matter. And let's start the timer. Start. Well, let our yellow stand still, then we have to move on. For example, put here blue. The blue one is near, so we have to move black somewhere. We can put black and blue at once. This puzzle is much easier to solve because we have more options for movements. We can move not only to the left, to the right, also forward, back, up or anywhere. How do we do that? Like this. Stop! This one was much easier! Really! Because here we had limited space where we could move. But what surprises does this monster ball hide? Huge 3D 15 puzzle of 20 colors. Here they are even difficult to distinguish the colors, but we will try. Whew, next level. It's already getting really difficult. Start. Let's start, well, with my favorite yellow color. Let's put it here. The problem is that we have to do quite a lot of unnecessary movements, like this, to put one ball in the hole. Yes, yellow coincided. Okay, I think we will move layer by layer. Oh my god, a lot of unnecessary movements. And that's it. Whew. Yeah, it was really difficult. Guys, I need some rest after this. But I can't, because I have even more difficult 15 puzzle. I find it hard to believe there could be anything more complicated than these 3D puzzles. This 15 is integrated into the Rubik's Cube, a 2x2 cube that can be scrambled, and in addition, you can free up space for one digit and shuffle it like an ordinary 15. At the same time, we can turn the sides of the cube, shuffle it, turn again, and shuffle again. Here we need to solve not only a Rubik's Cube, but also a 15 puzzle on each of the 6 sides. Okay, let's try, since I scrambled this puzzle. Let's start. The first thing I want to do is to solve a 2x2 cube focusing on these colors. So the cube is solved, all the frames in the places. Now we adjust their numbers to the frame. Let's start with yellow, because here I have already solved most of it, 1 and 2 in the places. But there are not enough other yellow, and the hole is on the red. We can move the hole like this, and now the hole is already on the yellow side. Now it's worth trying to put a 3 or 4 here, but it's upside down. We also need to turn over the numbers. God, how difficult it is! Okay, here we go, and you watch. The yellow side is done. Yes, the second color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. This one here, okay. And put a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, 2 sides left, and this is the most difficult. They are all upside down. 1, 2, 3 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. God, what? 20 minutes 30 seconds for 2x2 cube with built-in 15 puzzle? It's time to solve the most difficult level. A 15 puzzle, where we have classic 15 puzzle with an empty hole, where we can move parts like on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This is a standard classic Rubik's Cube where we can shuffle everything. Again, turn the sides of the cube like this. And again, thanks to the hole, shuffle the parts, and again turn the sides of the cube. It seems that this process has already started. Folks, wish me good luck right now. Subscribe to the channel and write something nice in the comments, because I try and solve the most complex puzzles in the world just for you. I think this will be enough. Let's start. Whew, I solved only a cube. I tried to solve everything on this frame, same as in the previous puzzle. And now let's try exactly the 15. I hope it will be faster, because I have already gained experience. Here we go. Let's try to solve this, starting with the 9. Whew, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then green. Whew. Yellow quite fast. And I need 9 here. I'm really accelerating. I love it. Like this. And the last 2 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These two should be swapped. And what if we do just like that? We swap these two. That's it. Huh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last side. Yes! Yes! The last 5. Stop. Phew, 22 minutes. It was really interesting. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. From 1 to 9, from 1 to 9, from 1 to 9. It was the hardest 15 puzzle in my life. Folks, I hope you liked this video, so subscribe and watch other videos on Cubastic channel. That was Cubastic, bye everyone and have a good time.